So you're thinking about putting your home on the market and you want to make sure that you're going to get the best return on your investment? These tips should help. Selling homes is second nature to me, as I've been doing it for quite a while now. I get nervous sellers all the time, and of course they should be, because it's a big deal when you sell your house. So let's talk about curb appeal. It's important because it's the first impression that your buyers will get when they arrive at your home. The best thing you can do is to rent a power washer or have someone come over and power wash your house for you. Either way, you want to wash years of dirt off your driveway and off your sidewalk and off your home. You also want to pay attention to the front door. As an agent, it takes us a few seconds to open the lockbox and open the door. This gives the buyer a good chance to really look at your entryway while they're waiting to get into your home. Take a moment and make sure there isn't any paint peeling off the doors or cobwebs around the lights. Next, make sure you work with an agent on staging your home. 77% of buyer's agents say that staging a home makes it easier for buyers to visualize themselves living in. And staging your home will help your home stand out against the competition by showcasing the very best features of your home to your buyers. Also, researchers say that professionally staged homes can sell for as much as 10% more than homes that are not staged. Also, the marketing is essential. You're gonna wanna make sure you get professional photos done, a 3D tour, and a professional video. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers will walk through a home that they saw online. So professional photos, a 3D tour, and a video is an absolute must when preparing your home to sell. Lastly, now that your home is ready for buyers, you must have a showing plan. Buyers and their agents may request a showing of your home at any time without giving you much notice, so you have to be prepared. Until your home is under contract, it's important to be able to leave your home at a moment's notice if need be. A few things you can do is plan simpler meals for easy cleanup and make plans for some outdoor activities. Also, find a place to put your pets during showings. Maybe family or a good friend can take care of them for you. These tips will help your home get sold faster and for the amount of money that you deserve. For more information, feel free to call us. This is Steve Batiste, broker owner of Next Home West Realty, and we've got you covered.